Hello, welcome back. Yes, today we are going to be learning multiplication of two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers using simple steps. Okay, now let's get right into it. Some of our friends in grade 4 will be wondering, how do I calculate questions that have to do with what? Multiplication, two-digit multiplication. I'm here to take you through the steps on how to solve questions on multiplication. Now let's get right into it. Solution. Question 1. We have 25 times 10. Okay? Now when you're solving questions of multiplication, always start with the units. That's the right hand side. You start calculating from the right hand side. Then we multiply 0 by what? 5. Then 0 by 2. Now what is 0 times 5 gives us what? 0. And then 0 times 2 equals what? 0. Then the next step, we're multiplying 1 by what? 5, and then 1 by 2. 1 times 5. Now, so in order for you not to get confused, remember the right hand side is the units. And when you're done solving the units, you put a 0 underneath. Okay? You put a 0 what? Underneath, to not confuse you. Then you move to the next number, which is the tenth place. This is the tenth, and this is the units. Then 1 times 5 equals what? 5. And then 1 times 2 equals 2. You can choose to put a 0 up here, or you can leave it blank. You can choose to leave it blank. Then we add the numbers together. And when adding, always start from the right as well. 0 plus 0 equals what? 0. 5 plus 0 is 5, and 2 plus 0 is 2. Now, do you know that we can check if what we've done is correct? In mathematics, it's very important for you to check your work, double check, and even triple check. Yes, in order for you to get the right answer and be certain about it. Now, we can say 10 times what? 25. So what we did here is to flip the question, right? Then this becomes 5 times 0 equals what? 0. Then 5 times 1 is 5. Then we put a 0 here. And then we multiply the next one, which is the 10th. When you're multiplying the 10th place, ensure you write your answer directly under the 10th place too. Then 2 times 0 is 0. And then 2 times 1 is 2. When we add, we have 0, 5, 2. You can see that we have the same answer. 250 equals 250. So what we did here is what is correct. Question 2. 55 times 25. Now, well, first we're going to multiply 5 times 5, which is 25. Write down 5. This is 25, right? Are we going to write down the whole 25 down? No. We're only going to write down the units, which is the right number, the number on the right hand side, which is 5, and then we're going to carry our 2 up here. Okay? Then we multiply 5 by 5, which is also 25, plus 2. 25 plus 2 is what? 27. Okay? Then we'll move to the 10th place. Remember, always put your 0 here. You can choose to put the 0 or you leave it blank. Whichever one is okay. 2 times 5 is 10. Put a 0, and then we'll carry 1 up here. Then we cross out the 2 we carried up before, so we don't get ourselves confused. Always cross out the number you've carried up here before. Then 2 times 5 is also 10. Then plus 1 is 11. Then we add. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 1 plus 0 is 1. And this is 1,375. Now we're going to check if what we've done here is correct. We're going to flip the question. And this becomes what? 25 times 55. Now 5 times 5 is 25. Write down 5 and carry 2 up here. 5 times 2 is 25. Put a 0 here, write down 5 and carry what? 2. Ensure to always cross out the number you've carried before. Then 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. Then we add. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 2 plus 1 is 3, and 1 plus 0 is 1. You can see we arrived at the same answer. So we're doing great. Question 3, we have 48 times 12. Okay? What is 2 times 8? That's 16. Write down 6 and carry 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1. That's 9. 1 times 8 is 8 and 1 times 4 is 4. Then we add them together. Remember, always put a 0, or you can choose to leave it. Okay? 0 plus 6 equals 6. 8 plus 9 equals 17. 6 and 1 here. We add 1 up here, sorry. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And the answer is 576. Now let's check if what we've done is correct. But if you're just joining, please do well to like the video, watch till the end, and do not forget to subscribe. Now we're going to flip the question. They'll have 12 times 48. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 1, 9. 4 times 2 is 8. Put your 0 here. And 4 times 1 is 4. Then we add. Okay, we have 6, 7, and 5. 576 equals 576. So what we've done so far, everything is correct. So always endeavor to check your answer and also double check if what you've done is actually correct. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.